with motorsport, it never happens small. It's not something you think about unless it's put in front of you. I've been close to the danger side of motorsport, and I never thought as a kid that fear would ever be a thing that gets in your way. I think fear becomes a thing when you have more of a reason to live. The driver is no longer just someone who's quick, but someone who is fit enough, mentally good enough, a businessman, good at economics, good at everything. Now every time I get in the car, I'm aware of the danger. I think about my loved ones and what would happen to them if I wasn't around anymore. But as soon as the engine starts and my visor's down, I forget all of that. And I can't let my family, friends and loved ones affect how I drive and affect my passion. In this sport, it's all about performing under pressure. It's what separates you from the best. You can't afford to make mistakes or you're out. In the beginning, with a couple of issues to keep the car out there, and successfully doing so gave us such a positive outlook on the rest of the race that we almost didn't even think about the fact that it could fail. Just kind of willing the car to make it back to the pit lane in any way possible. For me, it will be extra special. We will get back on that step at Le Mans, and it will be extra special because of the gap between the last time when I was on the step. That's just making me more excited for when it does happen.